Hi everyone, Kat here. Tonight we are going to be making some beef jerky. What I have here in this bowl is about 7 pounds of boneless beef eye of round. I thinly sliced them about 1/4 inch thick. Okay, and you can trim all the fat off if you like or leave some on. I like to leave a little bit of fat on there just because it's more flavorful. Okay. So slice them about 1/4 inch thick. All right. Okay, so for the beef jerky sauce, you're gonna need 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Make sure that it's on low. Your stove is on low. Okay, you don't want the heat to be too high. So 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Gonna add sugar, fish sauce, light soy sauce or low sodium soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. Okay, some concentrated cooking tamarind sauce, and the dry seasonings. We have MSG, optional, chicken bouillon, black pepper, garlic powder, peppercorn, and coriander powder. Okay. I'm going to thoroughly mix everything together and make sure that the heat is still on low because you don't want to burn your sauce. Okay, and then we just want all the sugar to thoroughly melt. So we're gonna leave this on low to medium heat. I'm gonna turn up just a little bit to let it simmer so the sugar gets all melted. Okay? Okay guys, once it starts to bubble up like this, it's pretty much done. And also the sauce is thickened up a little bit too, okay? And you can go ahead and taste it. If it needs more seasoning, you can just add whatever you think it needs more of. Add more sugar, add more the fish sauce. Any of the ingredients that we added, if you feel like it needs more, go ahead and add it, okay? Perfect. Mine doesn't need to be anything added to it. And then go ahead and turn off our heat. And then we're going to set this aside until it completely cools down. Okay? Okay guys, so once the sauce completely cools down, you want to make sure that it's completely cooled down. It's going to look like this. It's going to be thick and very sticky. Okay, and now this is ready for seasoning our beef jerky. Alright guys, this next step is totally optional. You don't have to add this if you don't want to, but I like to add a little bit of sodium nitrate salt, which is a curing salt. About a teaspoon, okay? This, a teaspoon and a half. It's going to give it that nice red color instead of that dull, dark, unappetizing look. Okay, so this is totally optional. You want to really mix it to your meat. So mix this for about a minute, okay? Okay, so after a minute of mixing the curing salt, this is what's gonna happen. It's gonna turn your meat dark, okay? Don't be afraid. That's the way it's supposed to be. It's kind of a chemical reaction that it does that. So it will turn your dark meat, but once you cook it, it's gonna make your meat red again. See, I'll show you the difference. From before we add the salt, it's all red, and then it's dark and ugly like this, but it's supposed to look like that, okay? Okay. Now that the cured salt is nicely evenly added to all the meats, we're gonna add in our sauce. And this is, I'm eyeballing. You can add as little as much as the sauce you like, but you want to add enough, at least add enough. Okay. Ooh, my dog. Okay, let's start with that first. And I'm gonna make this one spicy. So now's the time to add. If you like your beef jerky to be spicy, I'm gonna add some chili to it, chili powder. Okay. And my chili powders are very spicy, so maybe 2 tablespoons. Okay, and then just thoroughly mix the sauce into the meat. Sticky sauce. Okay guys, so the sauce has been thoroughly mixed into the meat, and now this is ready to be dehydrated. Okay, so as you can see here, this is ready to be dehydrated. I'm going to dehydrate this for 3 to 4 hours at 165 degrees, but it might be different for yours because depending on the type of dehydrator you have, whether it's a big one or a small one, the time and temperature might be different, so you would have to play around with that. But typically mine takes about 3 to 4 hours at 165 degrees. So we'll check back in a couple hours. For the leftover sauce, guys, don't throw it away. This is a good, excellent barbecue sauce, especially for hot wings. Drizzle some of this on your hot wings. Mmm, delicious. Great for barbecue chicken, ribs, pork, even shrimp, guys. So what I did was I reheated the sauce, added some water so it's not so thick like it was before. This. Once it cools down, I'm going to refrigerate it, and this is going to be good for up to 2 months in the refrigerator. And whenever you need it, just bring it out and reheat it again, and just add it to your hot wings and things like that. Okay, so it's been about 3 hours. I'm going to check. Almost getting there, but I can tell already it's not ready. See, it's still moist. Yeah, I think it's gonna need about 2 more hours. This is a thicker cut than I normally do, so yeah, not done yet. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it continue to dry for another 2 more hours. Okay guys, so it took a total of 5 hours, and this is the result. Delicious homemade beef jerky. Look at that. I made 9 trays of this. Can't wait to eat them. So these are the non-spicy ones with no pepper. For my husband and boys, they can't handle spicy. And then for myself, voila! See all that pepper. And it's not hard, it's still soft. So if you like yours even more drier, you can certainly dry it longer, but this is how I like mine, just like this. And voila! Beautiful beef jerky, guys. Homemade beef jerky. Beautiful, delicious piece of beef jerky here. Beautiful red color due to that curing salt. Otherwise, you won't get this red color. the reason why I use it. You are gonna love this seasoning. You gotta try it, guys. Look at this. All dry. Yummy. It's got all that tasty flavors of the coriander seed, the pepper, soy sauce, sugar. So it's got this sweet, salty, savory, just delicious, guys. You gotta give it a try. Easy snack to grab when you're on the go for hiking, camping, day trips anywhere. Just put in a Ziploc bag, and these will last up to, well, we know at least up to a month. I've had a batch where it's lasted up to a month. I don't refrigerate it or nothing. I just put them in these snack Ziploc bags and just grab it whenever I need a snack. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.